Hi all, welcome to Mano Cooks. I'm Mano. Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim friends. Celebration with more than one sweet dessert is a must. Let's make this best Firni recipe this Eid. Let's get started. For this, we would need cashews, pista, cardamom. 4 cardamom, I'm going to add it in the milk, and the rest of them I will make them into fine powder. Raisin, badam soaked overnight or for 6 hours, salt, kevra water or rose essence, sugar, milk powder, and rice which I have soaked here for more than 1 hour. Wash the rice and grind it to a coarse consistency by adding half cup of milk in a mixie jar. Take out in a container, add another half cup of milk and set aside. Rice should be broken into few small pieces. That is how we need it. To make this firni, I am taking a pressure cooker. You can also take a good non-stick pan or any heavy bottom pan. To the pressure cooker, add half a cup of water. Power tip here, adding water will ensure that the milk does not stick to the bottom. Now pour full cream milk in the pressure cooker. Turn on the flame to medium. After 1 minute, add milk powder in small batches and keep mixing as you see in the video so that no lumps are formed. Quick tip here, milk powder is what gives this creamy texture to this dish. So please do not skip it. You can also add fresh cream instead of milk powder. On medium flame, keep stirring and add 4 cardamom. If you are new to Mano Cooks, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you can watch all my videos. Now let's allow the milk to come to a boil, and once it boils, keep stirring and reduce the flame little bit so that the milk does not overflow. After 3 minutes of boil, let's add the rice. Please check the consistency of rice as you see in the video. It's not whole, but it is broken into very small pieces. That is how we need for this dish as it gets cooked very soon. We have ground it with half cup of milk and added another half cup and set it aside. As you can see, once we keep the rice and milk mixture, the rice tends to settle down. So before we start, mix it with a spoon. Very important tip here, please keep stirring the milk with one hand and add the rice and milk mixture in small batches so that no lumps are formed. Once all the rice is added, keep cooking by stirring it continuously so that the rice does not settle at the bottom and gets burnt. In this stage, you can alternate between medium and low flame and keep cooking. Now we are adding coarse cashew powder. This adds to the thickness and gives a rich taste. Tip here, you can add whole cashews if you like. Remember to add cashew powder little at a time and keep stirring. We can see the rice turning transparent as it is getting cooked as you see in the video. Now let's add raisins. Remember, we are not sauteing any nuts here for this firni. Now add soaked, peeled and chopped almonds. Remember to keep the flame in medium-low and keep stirring and cooking everything. As you cook, you can see the mixture starts to thicken. At this point, keep the flame in low and keep cooking. Now add sugar and mix well, and do taste and adjust sugar according to your sweetness level. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up as your support would mean a world to me. And if you have any questions, please do reach out to me in my comment section and follow me on Mano Cooks Facebook page and on Insta as well. Now as we keep cooking, we see the mixture is turning thick. At this point, let's add a pinch of salt. Keep the flame in low and now check the consistency as you see in the video. We are almost going to finish the dish. At this point, add crushed cardamom. Mix well and add saffron strands. Add kevra water and give a good mix and turn off the flame. Very important tip here, please stand nearby and keep mixing and cooking the dish in low flame as we do not want any burnt smell or flavor to spoil this dish. Now cover and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Mix it again and scoop firni in small serving bowls. Top it with fresh or desiccated coconut, add chopped nuts of your choice, a pinch of poppy seeds, saffron strands and chill them for 1 hour in fridge and serve it cold. This thick and yummy and creamy firni is a must-try recipe as we celebrate Eid 2020. Thanks all for watching and Eid Mubarak once again.